What's up, food soulmates? Today we are making a quick, easy, and super delicious green smoothie. Power up your morning by whizzing up this lightweight fruit and veggie combo. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of mango, 1 cup of pineapple, 1 cup of spinach leaves, 1 cup of unsweetened coconut milk, and 1/4 of a teaspoon vanilla extract. In a high-speed blender, combine all of the ingredients. The antioxidants and bromelain in the pineapple may help to fight inflammation, and the vitamin A, C, K, and folate in the mango and spinach give this a nutritional kick. By the way, if fresh ingredients are not available, frozen fruit can be used just as well. Blend on high speed for 2 minutes or until completely smooth. Serve in a cup and garnish with lemon or mint. Enjoy!